So I've been wanting passion twists for a while now, but I only have about 1.5 inches of hair because I recently big chopped, and nobody really wanted to touch my hair because it was so short. So I taught myself how, and it was a struggle. I want to make it easier for you guys and make a video and tell you my biggest, like the top 5 things I really wish I would have known before I did these passion twists, and it would have made my life a whole lot easier. So if you want your passion twists to come out nice, just keep watching. Pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the 5 tips, and then I'm going to show me installing the passion twist. So if you're more of a visual learner, just fast forward through my talking and you will see me actually installing the passion twist at the end of the video. But I do think that it would benefit you to listen to these tips, because there are things that you will not be able to see in the video that you would probably learn listening to me. First of all, let me show y'all. Let me show you the hair that I use. So there's I saw 2 passion twist hair. So you have the passion twist hair that is a loose curl, and then you have this hair. And this passion twist hair, I've tried passion twist before, and that loose curl hair did not work for me. Number one, it got stiff. I don't know if it was just the hair that I use, but it just was not doing right, and the twists did not come out the way that I wanted them to. So I got the tighter curl, which is, and it's by Afri Naptural, but I'm sure you can get any crochet hair that is the water wave. This is called Passion Water Wave. It was $5.99 per pack, but I think the most important thing is that it's the crochet style. Like it's the latch and hook, it's perfect for that. And it's this curl pattern. This curl pattern, that's where it's at. So that's number one. Make sure you get the right hair. I got 18 inches and I cut it at least half. So I cut it in half all over my hair, except for in the very back I cut it twice. So I have a list. Number one, there's a right way and a wrong way to twist this hair. And if you twist it the wrong way, it's quite obvious, but I'm just gonna put that out there. You definitely have to twist it the right way. So this is the hair, right? And you see the hair has a natural curl pattern. So you're essentially just putting this hair back in place and laying them on top of each other. You don't want to try and create new twists and make this hair and manipulate it in a way that it is not meant to be. You just want to kind of lay the hair on top of each other. And if you see right here how I'm laying the hair, oh, it might not be in focus. You just lay the hair on top of each other rather than pulling and like making your own, you know what I mean? All right, number 3, you want to break the curls up. So when you don't break the curls up, it looks too neat for me. I don't like how neat that looks. I wanted them to be, now this is just me, I wanted mine to be more fluffy and natural looking and full. I didn't want them to look like it was pre-twisted. Once you break it up, it's gonna look a lot more natural, and it's gonna look like you actually twisted them and not like you just bought twisted hair and put it in your head, crocheted it. All right, now let's see. Can you see the difference? I don't know. Okay. Just trust me and take my word for it. Break them up before you start twisting. Also, your real hair, you want to blend it into the crochet hair. I used edge control in order to blend my pieces, but they are going to come out. I was watching probably one of the best braiders on YouTube, and she was even saying that she stopped doing passion twists altogether because she could not figure out a way to not get the hair to peek out after a while. I've had these in for about a week now, and so my natural hair did come out. Now I think essentially what it is that with a braid, it's braided, braids are like tighter, you know what I'm saying? So it's harder for the hair to slip out, but with twists they're a lot looser, so the hair can like easily slip out. So it's gonna happen, but what you want to do and from the jump to try to prevent it for as long as possible is just put some edge control on your hair at the top and roll it around and try to, you know, blend that hair in. And number 5 is when your hair does slip out, just put some gel on it and try to blend the hair back in with this hair, because that's what I've been doing. And I haven't had, you know, and I still have people telling me how cute my hair is. You don't want it to look dry and fluffy. You kind of want to blend it in with this hair as best as possible. So you want to put some gel on it and try to define your curls if you're natural, or if you're not, I don't know, you're on your own. But if you're natural, just put a little bit of gel on your hair and try to blend that hair in as best as possible. So now I'm going to go ahead and insert the footage and show you guys exactly how I install the twist. But I'm gonna do a little 360 real quick. Well, not a 360, about a 180. All right, so yeah, here's the footage of me actually doing the twist.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. believe me when I say I miss you so. It seems like your mind is elsewhere whenever we're on the phone. Always on the go, like you got a place to be, never on your own. Something you're not telling me yet. I believe it's true, you're all for someone new. I've never felt this stupid, thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. Hey cheater, do you feel better now that you've broken my trust? Oh, boy, do you even remember that love is more than just lust? Always on the go, like you got a place to be, never on your own. Something you're not telling me yet. I believe it's true, you're all for someone new. I've never felt this stupid, thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. I've had enough of you, you're just too much. I'm way too good for you, you're just a bluff. I'm so fed up with you, it's bad enough that I'm way too good for you. I believe it's true, you're all for someone new. I've never felt this stupid, thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. I believe it's true, you're all for someone new. I've never felt this stupid, thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you.